welcome to probably the last video for the day. I'm going to have to wrap this up for a while. I did some fiddling with the sequencer over the past couple of hours, and as you can see, I got most of the LEDs working. The only one now not working is the one with the green tape, and I replaced the LED, and it's still not working. So I'm not sure. I'm going to have to do a check, because the LED I know that I put in did work. So I'm going to do a wire check and trace my wires back and see if it's a bad connection somewhere. I wouldn't be surprised. The others are working pretty well. It was just loose connections here and there. And that tells me good things. It means that the signals are probably pretty good. So here's the, again, here's all the insides hanging around. I'm going to put them all properly away. Power supply working as wanted. Very happy about that. So yeah, really pleased about this, except for that one LED. And it's a very basic sequencer, and I'm going to try to make it fancy over time. And I'm going to put the rate of sequence here. So that'll be nice symmetry. Having that there and that there with these on either side is nice and symmetrical. I like that. It's balanced. Pretty cool. Something out of Star Trek. I may go with that theme. I'm going to design my own knobs in the 3D printer in Blender, and then I'll print off Star Trek type knobs, something you'd see on the set of Star Trek. And we'll see how that goes. A bit silly, but I like the idea. So anyways, thank you for following along, if you've been following along. I appreciate that, and I'm quite pleased with the result. And I'll update it one more time as I get things sorted out, and then when I get this to trigger something, I'll play that for you, and we'll see how it works. But this is the next project. I'm going to try to focus on this again, my VCO, and that's a big deal. That's a very big project. Once I track down the resistors that I can order and get, we'll proceed. So thank you again. Hope you've been enjoying these things. Take care. Bye-bye.